Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here the project for this week video. I got these two dressers from my new neighbor, and my old neighbor leave this in home and my new neighbor give to me for free. I really love the shape of the dressers. Miss this part on the bottom, but that's okay because I'm going to add a new base legs. It's not solid wood, it's partly wood. The top is laminate, it's partly wood and has this tiny laminate on the top. The drawers works well. I really like this hardware, but I'm going to change because I'm going to take it off. This front drawers is plastic. Who's follow me now how much I love and redo this kind of dressers for modern ones, and have some scratch here, need you bundle. Have that thing on the bottom, but I'm going to cut for other new base legs. This drawer, I don't know, need to glue a little bit. The bottom is in a good shape. The top is partly wood too. It's a vintage dresser from 1971. And the high boy is all the same, has some repair to do. And I'm going to do the same for this set, but this is not be a set anymore. I'm going to separate them and I'm going to do different things on each one. Today I'm going to start with the high boy. All is broken. I'm going to cut this part for make my base legs, and I'm so excited for this dresser. I'm going to make my only base legs. I will remove out the camera all this plastic front drawers, the decorations plastic front drawers, and coming like this. Has too many holes from the nails. Let's see, cover this all these holes with wood filler. I'm going to use a wood filler in color walnut. My inspiration for this dresser is this picture, but I'm going to use this pattern, but I'm going to change a little bit the colors because the Halloween challenge is on a corner and I have no time to finish another piece. I'm going to finish this dresser in the Halloween theme. let's go to measure the base for the my custom base legs, and let's go to pins. I'm changed my mind. I'm not building my custom base legs. I have this footboard bed. I'm going to use this legs to this. I'm going to use this compass, and I'm going to draw to half a circle on the top of this dresser. Maybe one bigger than the other one. Let's see if I can. This is my palette's color, orange and chestnut stain. I'm going to start with orange, and let's go to pink. I'm going to apply the black. time to protect my dresser. I'm going to protect my dresser with Helsman clear satin, in clear satin. I'm going to apply with my spray gun paint. Of course, I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. I'm going to apply 3 coats of clear satin. Let's go. I'm staining my legs with dark walnut stain. To cleaning inside the drawers with feed and wax outside and inside, and on drawers guides. Before the final review, I want to thank you all for your support and love, and today I want to thank Meg in special for hosting this awesome Halloween challenge. Please check her channel, she do amazing job, and check the playlist for all the participants. And here my piece. I decided to make this dresser on last minute because I have no time to finish the piece I have in mind for this contest. But I really love how this dresser turns out on the theme Halloween. I have so much fun to create this designer. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to Megan. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye guys.